Yo, what's good, my fellow hustlers and gangsta rappers? You know the struggle, trying to come up with those raw, gritty lyrics that capture the streets, but it's just not coming to you. Well, I've got the solution that's gonna take your rap game to the next level. Today we'll introduce Unictool Voxmaker's AI Rap Generator, an innovative feature powered by the latest AI tech that can generate authentic-sounding gangsta rap verses and choruses. All you gotta do is trust and wait. Let me show you how it works. Download and install Unictool Voxmaker. After launching the program, you will see AI-generated rap in the sidebar. Click to enter the interface. If you already have lyrics written, just type them in. If you don't have any, that's fine too. Click Generated AI Lyric. Today we're going to be making a theme for gangsta rap. Enter the keywords gangsta, streets, and hustle. And within seconds, AI Rap Generator will generate the lyrics. Once generated, we can make custom adjustments. Unictool Voxmaker provides a lot of rappers' voice selections, as well as different styles of beats that match the lyrics. You can also adjust the BPM to suit your rhythm. The AI just bodied that beat with some grimy, street-certified bars. The flow, the wordplay. You can use these AI-generated verses as a foundation to build your own rap on, or adapt it all on this basis or year. It takes all the pressure off having to come up with lyrics from scratch, so you can focus on delivering that raw, authentic delivery. Whether you have a musical background or not, you can give it a try. For any up-and-coming rapper trying to make a name for themselves, the AI Rap Generator is a total game changer. So what are you waiting for, my dudes? The future of gangsta rap is here. Let's get it.
Up on the streets where the hustle never stops. Gangs on the corner moving weight like their crops. Every dollar earned comes with a risky cost, but we play the game, never willing to get lost in this concrete jungle.